In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between Classic and New Outlook. To get started, open Outlook on your computer and wait for the app to fully load. Before making any changes, take a quick look at the interface so you can tell which version you're currently using. In this example, we're starting in the new Outlook experience. That's helpful to notice first, because the steps you take will depend on the version that is currently on your screen. Once Outlook is open, look around the top area of the window. If you can see that you're already in the new Outlook, the process for switching back is very simple. You'll want to go to the Help menu. This menu usually contains support options, guidance tools, and version-related actions, so it's a common place to find switching options like this. Click Help, and then look for the option that says Go to Classic Outlook. When you select that option, Outlook will begin the process of returning you to the Classic version. Depending on your device and how quickly Outlook responds, this may take a moment, so give it a few seconds to complete the change. As the switch happens, the layout may refresh, and some of the menus or visual elements may look different once Classic Outlook opens. That's completely normal. The Classic version has a more traditional interface, so if you've used Outlook for a long time, it may feel more familiar and easier to navigate. One useful tip here is to make sure you let Outlook finish loading after the switch before clicking around too much. That can help avoid confusion if the screen is still updating. Also, keep in mind that some settings or features may appear in slightly different locations between the new and Classic versions, so a brief adjustment period is expected. If your goal is simply to return from New Outlook to the Classic view, that's all you need to do. Open Outlook, confirm that you're in the new version, click Help, and choose Go to Classic Outlook. It's a quick change, but knowing exactly where to find the option can save time, especially if you're working in an interface that feels unfamiliar. That's how to switch between Classic and New Outlook by moving from the New Outlook experience back to Classic Outlook.